Hi, my name is Chris Atchison. I'm the founder of KiteShare. With KiteShare, we're leading the digital transformation of manufacturers to allow them to sell more spare parts to their customers via our online identification and ordering portal. So the accelerator program for us has been fantastic. So it's a very intense 12-week program that allowed us to just take a pause, think about where we are in the initial weeks, and then really focus on delivering value and emerging at the other side with a really sound value proposition. The benefits for KiteShare have been fantastic, predominantly around the network that Ignite and the accelerator brought to us, and also the focus that those guys brought to the company. So we now have links and relationships with VCs in the US and in London that we didn't have before, and we have been able just to focus on the real metrics that enable us to move forward as a company. It's made me understand more about the role of a CEO and what a CEO needs to do to bring a team around the company, deliver value for their customers, and execute and deliver a return on investment for the investors. One of the best things about the program is the network that Ignite has throughout the UK and the US. We had trips to the US, we had multiple trips to London where we met really engaged and interested venture capitalist companies that are now continuing a relationship with us. The other companies in the cohort have also been fantastic, a fantastic source of encouragement and ideas that we all developed really good friendships over the course of the 12 months. There's lots of real good ideas and collaborations that have potential to come out of that. I would recommend the program for other entrepreneurs who are at a stage where they want to scale their business. We emerged from the program with investment, with a really clear vision of where we want to go as a company, and with great validation of our vision. So after we emerged from the program, we closed a significant investment, which is allowing us to increase the team, to allow us to iterate more quickly through our business. So we're doubling the size of the team. We're bringing fantastic new features into the product, and started to work on the vision for the future.